I've seen this on ukbumpkeys.com. I'm going to show you a bypass on this padlock. I can't remember who it was who did it. It was either Solid or Sneak. I think they did it on a tricircle. Just basically to show you it's not just one lock it works on, it does work on different locks. Nothing special about it, just like it looks like a rip-off master lock. So I'm going to demonstrate that with, I'm going to use this rake, bog standard rake. This is out the Southford 22-piece pick set, as sold at ukbumpkeys.com. I have loads of success with this setup. So basically you can see, fully working padlock. Let's get you a better view for that. Padlock's all locked up. Take the key out. There's the key weight. Basically all you're doing, in the wide side of the keyway, push the rake straight up. Bit awkward for me here, but basically you're putting it straight to the top, pushing it into the thin area. I'll try and show you at the same time, and then you feel a little catch right at the top. Pull that back, and there you go, pops open the lock. So show you again. You go in, rake pointing down to the bottom, yeah, that way in. It's going straight to the back, forward, and then you'll feel it drop over a small ledge. Then pulling that back towards you releases the lock, and you're in. Simple bypass, as seen on ukbumpkeys.com.
That's all, folks.